Learn Persian alphabet part 11. Letter Z. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today's alphabet is letter Z. If you are a beginner in learning Persian, if you are an absolute beginner in Persian, these videos are for you. You can check the playlist on the Learning Persian alphabet. The 13th Persian alphabet is named Z. Z. And it is pronounced Z. Z. Just like the letter Z in English. In the beginning of the word zoo. The form of this letter in all positions, initial, medial, and final, are the same. And it is like this. For example, baz, dozd, zard, zesht. Please note that is one of those 7 letters that do not attach to the following letter. Look at these examples. Dozd, zard, zesht. As you can see, the letter dal, re, and shin didn't attach to the letter z. Now it's time to show you a text and you have to find the form of the letter z in the text. And here you can check your answers. Let's make some new words with the letter Z with the alphabets that we know so far. Alef, B, P, T, S, Jim, Ch, H, Kh, Dal, Zal, Re, Z. The first word is baz. 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 لطفاً پنجره رو باز کن. لطفاً پنجره رو باز کن. لطفاً پنجره رو باز کن. زرد. 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 yellow. زرد رنگ مورد علاقه منه. زرد رنگ مورد علاقه منه. زرد رنگ مورد علاقه منه. دزد. 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 دیروز دزد خونه خالم رو زده بود. دیروز دزد خونه خالم رو زده بود. دیروز دزد خونه خالم رو زده بود. It's your turn. Your homework is to write this letter and these words 3 lines, and you can share your homeworks with me. I will check your answers as soon as possible. If you have any questions, you can ask them in comments, or also if you want me to create a video about a specific subject, you can write them in the comments for me and I will create the video for you. Thanks for watching. I'm Asal. Love you. Bye.